I'm Tamara, the team lead of the White Room, which includes diamond cutting and optics departments. After completing college, I began my career at DBM, without really knowing what I was getting into. Now, 8 years later, I'm still here and I love what we do. From tackling new challenges to taking pride in producing high-quality parts, all this alongside an amazing team of like-minded individuals that I have the pleasure of working with every day. We create molds and prototypes serving industries such as automotive, medical, optical, microfluidic, and so many others. What really sets the DBM diamond cutting capabilities apart is the combination of our top-of-the-line technology and our highly experienced and efficient team.
My name is Nicholas, and I've been working at DBM in research and development for 25 years now. I've always been a perfectionist, which is what attracted me to the field of machining. I use my expertise to adjust and fine-tune high-precision machines to deliver optimal results for our clients. I always feel a great sense of pride when I see a finished part, knowing all the hours and efforts that went into it. That's what makes me love my job. At DBM, surrounded by a strong team, I had the opportunity to discover diamond machining. This allowed me to use high-precision machines to manufacture highly complex parts.
My name is Maxime. I've been working for DBM Reflex since 14 years. As of a machinist programmer, my first aspect of my work is the infinite challenge. The machine we use give us the opportunity to constantly increase the quality of our product, to offer new product in various domains. There's always place for improvement to find new solutions.